Hello guys, how are you? I hope you are all fine. Welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome back to my kitchen. Today we're going to cook and we're back to our cooking, and I hope you will enjoy this video and this channel. If you're not subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? This is 2025, a year full of blessings and happiness and joy, and we're going to do so much. So subscribe for more updates. Yeah, and I don't know if you have noticed, I have changed my curtain, my kitchen curtain. Tune and subscribe for more updates. Let's do it. Let's do this. Here we already have our cooked githeri, and here are what we're going to use for today for cooking our githeri. Yep. And we will make this and this. Wait a minute. how you learn. It's nothing short of a miracle. I'm here. I've got miracles on miracles. So guys, here we have our ingredients, the ingredients that we're going to use to make our delicious githeri. So we have nyanya, kitunguu, and carrots, dania, and hoho. Those are the only ingredients that I always use nowadays for almost all my recipes, and you'll be seeing them a lot, especially hoho and Dania and kitunguu and nyanya. So in our empty sufuria, we will go in with our kitunguu and our oil. So I love some oil in my food, like si oil kidogo, like si mingi na si kidogo. You get, like, I'm being generous kidogo with the oil. Then we stir till it starts hadi uanze kufeel this sweet smell, the aroma. Yeah. So when my onions were ready, I went in with my tomatoes, the hoho and carrot. I'm sorry that I didn't shoot the video when I was putting everything together. I went in first with the hohos, then went in with the carrots, then nyanya. I didn't put everything together at once. So I have put my salt to taste. The only spices that I'm going to use here is my chili beef cube. Yep, that's it. And Royco cube and Royco spice, chili beef cube, and garlic powder, and also tomato paste. Those are the only spices that I'm going to go in for my githeri. And those are also the spices that I'll be using for my most recipes from now on. Yep. So I let it ive kabisa. As you can see, it's now looking beautiful and sweet. I'll go in with my cooked githeri. Yeah, ndo pia ishike ile flavor. Ufai kuweka maji immediately. Unafaa uweke kwanza hiyo githeri, or kama ni beans, ndo ingie ile flavor ya nyanya and all the spices ingie kwa githeri vizuri. And you stir and give it some time peke yake kwanza, then ukitaka ka soup unaweka ka soup. Yes, if you don't want ka soup, I think ukiacha for some time, it's ready. Looks delicious and it smells so nice. It smells so nice. Our githeri is ready. We will go in with our dania to finish up. We are now done. We are done with all the small process. As you can see, it just took kupika tu hizi zote. It can only take like 10 minutes maximum. Hata like it's just quick chap. Yeah, fastest recipe ever, yani dakika tu kidogo sana. And ingredients only 5: dania, hoho, kitunguu, nyanya, bas. Dania, hoho, kitunguu, nyanya, karoti, bas. Kama una karoti pia ni sawa, lakini karoti inafanya pia ikue sweeter, yani inaongeza pia utamu yake. Only 5 and you're done with your githeri, guys. Hope you enjoyed this recipe. Our githeri is done. As you can see, naka githeri imeenda group of schools. Eish, very sweet and yummy, and it smells so nice, I'm telling you. Yeah, this is what my man likes a lot. It's his favorite. Yeah, try this recipe and tell me what you think about it on the comments section. And if you're not subscribed to this channel, what are you waiting for? Kindly subscribe, hit the notification button, like and comment. Thank you. Bye.